Welcome back. It's now time for sports.
Many-time champions at Jamaica College and Excelsior High will do battle in the Issamani Cup final on Friday evening at the National Stadium. JC had blank stats 4-0 in their semi-final, while Excelsior had dismissed Eltham High 3-1 in their semi-final encounter. JC will be hunting a record-extending 29th Manning Cup title, having last won in 2022. Their coach, Raymond Watson, says the teams are no strangers to each other.
It's just mental right now, trying to do recovery work and just mental. I mean, you can't do anything tactical. We played Excelsior before. We know what they will do. They know what we will do. And it just comes down to who wants it most.
Excelsior will be searching for their 8th title, having last won in 2004. Their coach, Keon Broderick, says that they'll be looking to create history on Friday evening.
As a past student, it is very important to me to come back and contribute to the school in a positive way. To make it to a final, I mean, the job is not yet done, but I mean, the school community is very, very proud. The last interview I said that it was 19 years we had not gone to the semi-final. Some persons corrected me and tell me that it's actually 12, 13 years we had not gone to the semi-final. Now I can safely say it's 19 years we have not been to this stage of the competition, and we want to take it a step further to make the school community proud.
The Manning Cup final will be preceded by the Walker Cup knockout final between defending champions at Mona High and St. Catherine High. The West Indies have started strongly in their first innings reply against the host New Zealand in the third and final test, reaching 110 without loss at stumps on day 2 at the Bay Oval at Mount Maunganui. They trailed by 465 runs. Jamaicans Brandon King, 55, and John Campbell, 45, were the batters at the crease at the close. Earlier, New Zealand posted 575 for 8 declared after zooming on 334 for 1. This was their 5th highest test total at home. Devon Conway carried on to 227 from his overnight 178, while Rachin Ravindra was left on 72 not out. Jaden Seals, Anderson Phillip, and Justin Greaves all took 2 wickets each. Greaves reflected on the Windies' approach to their first innings reply after almost 2 days in the field.
Jermaine Brown there with the Midday Sports Report. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News on behalf of the news, sports, and production teams. Good afternoon.